Hi guys, I welcome you again to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share the video with your friends and also like. Ne? You can comment also with any chapter that you want us to do. So today I will be showing you guys how to prove an amazing trigonometric expression that you have never seen before. Ne? Let's go. This is our expression. Show that 4 cos 36 degrees and then it is equals to 1 over sine 18. Without using a calculator, let me add this information. Without using your calculator, without using any calculator, so we have to prove this one. I will only do two questions, né? Yes, and then I'll be done. Then let's use our left hand side to prove this problem. So our left hand side we have cos 36 degrees, né? Perfect. So we have to end up having 1 over sine 18 degrees. So we have to express this thing in terms of sine, né? So firstly we have to multiply with sine. Let's multiply with the very same angle, sine 36 degrees divided by sine 36 degrees. Don't forget, this is like multiplying with 1, so you don't change anything. Nah? Multiplying with 1, you don't change anything. So, yeah. This is the same as, allow me to, I want to apply this double angle identity because sine 2x is the same as 2 sine x multiplied by cos x. Ne? Let me just split this forward to be 2 multiplied by 2. Ne? Or into sine of 36 degrees multiplied by cos of 36 degrees divided by sine 36 degrees. I hope we are still together here. 2 multiplied by 2 is also 4. Ne? I just splitted it. So don't be confused. It's because I want to apply this double angle identity. So I'll be having what? 2 sine of 2 multiplied by our angle. Ne? If we multiply that angle, it will be what? 2 multiplied by 36, it is the same as 72 degrees. Ne? Divided by, don't forget your answer must be in terms of sine 18. So let me change this 36 sine 36 to be sine of 2 multiplied by 18 degrees. I hope you are still following. Ne? Yeah, because your answer must be in terms of sine 18. So if you can check very well, ne? Even in this thing, okay, sine 2 multiplied by 18 degrees, let me show, is the same as 2 sine 18 degrees multiplied by cos 18 degrees. So in order for us to be left with sine 18, you have to eliminate what? These 2 and cos 18. I hope you all see that, ne? Yes, because we want to be left with sine 18. It means, okay, we have to eliminate 2, and the 2 we can see it is here. Perfect. Then we have sine 72. Oh, it means sine 72 must be expressed, or it need to be written in terms of cos, ne? Perfect. That's it. It's very simple. You see how to answer this kind of question. Maths is very simple. There's no easy subjects like maths. Okay, then let's take it. 2, we have to change sine 72 to be in terms of cos. Ne? So I can write, sorry, let me not be fast. Let me calm down. It will be sine of 90 degrees. We use the co-ratios or co-functions to change. Ne? 90 minus, what can we subtract from 90 to still give us that 72? It's 80. Ne? Okay, divided by 2 sine 18 degrees multiplied by cos 18 degrees. I hope you see. Don't forget, sine of 90 degrees minus x. It was giving us what? Cos x, right? So it means sine of 90 degrees minus 18 degrees. It will give us what? Cos 18 degrees. You see? Very simple. Very, very simple. So let's continue. Okay. All right. Let's continue and finish this question fast so that we can do the last question. Then yes, Okay, let me write 2 cos, it will be cos 18 degrees, ne? Divided by 2 multiplied by sine 18 degrees cos 18 degrees. I hope you can all see that. And then here it is. Maths is very simple, guys. Cos 18 and then cos 18, 2 and then 2. We are left with 1 over sine 18 degrees. Proved. Ne? Perfect. Let's do the next question or the last question. You can just pause the video and copy everything or screenshot this thing. Ne? I told you we're gonna do an amazing trig expression. Yes, they can ask you these questions in an exam because we have seen we don't apply things that you don't know. It's all about double angle and compound angle, this thing. Okay, just show that. Okay. Oh, now let me change the question. Let me change the question. Even this one, without using a calculator. We can be talking about, let me write 1 over sine 10 degrees. Ish. Can it be minus or plus? I think minus can be fine. Root of 3 over sine 10. Let me write cos 10 here. Cos of 10 degrees equal to 4. Yeah, this thing is equal to 4. So you have to prove that. So obviously here we're going to use the left hand side. Ne? We have to use the left hand side. Don't forget, in the first question that we did, your work is to go and prove using the right hand side and see it can also give you the very same answer. So here, even if you want to use the right hand side, it's gonna be difficult, more difficult. So the easiest thing is to use the left hand side. It is 1 over sine 10 degrees minus the root of cos 10 degrees. It is 10 degrees. So it's question. So this is a fraction. We need to find our LCD. Our LCD here, it is sine 10 degrees multiplied by cos 10 degrees. Then here we'll be having cos 10 degrees minus minus what? Root of 3 sine 10 degrees. Ne? Don't forget, you must end up having what? Having 4 at the end. And then in order for us to have 4, it means we must end up eliminating everything that's in our denominator, because you see our final answer is not in terms of fraction. So it means we must eliminate that denominator. And if you can check it, sine 10 multiplied by cos 10, it is similar to that double angle of sine. Yes, of sine 2x. Just similar, but not exactly the same, because this one doesn't have 2 at the beginning. It is 2 sine x multiplied by cos x. I hope you are still following. So yeah, or we can do it like this. We can multiply numerator and denominator with 2. It's still fine. It's still fine, but I don't want to do it in that way. Because if for us to be able to eliminate the numerator and denominator, it's when we express our numerator in terms of sine 10 multiplied by cos 10, so that we can be able to eliminate it. So okay, let's multiply everything or every term with 1 over 2. I'll start with cos 10. It will be 1 over 2 cos 10 degrees. Cos 10 degrees minus, if we multiply this one, it will be root of 3 over 2 sine 10 degrees divided by 1 over 2. I told you to multiply everything with 1 over 2. Sine 10 degrees multiplied by cos 10 degrees. Alright? So we must apply the compound angle identity of sine, because we need to write it in terms of sine. Don't forget, we have this compound identity. This is the same as sine x multiplied by cos y minus cos x multiplied by sine y. So okay, in this case we have half here, you see. Or okay, if we want to compare it with this one, it's simple. It means our y is 10. You see, we have cos 10, we have sine 10. It means our y is 10. So we need to find this x. Okay, it's very simple. We need to express 1/2 in terms of sine, you see, because we need to apply that compound angle identity. So let me show you guys. Let me show you how do we do this. We need to express half or 1/2 in terms of sine. So 1/2, all know it is the same as sine 30 degrees. That's why it is important to know your special angles. Sine 30 degrees multiplied by it was cos 10 degrees minus root. This one must be in terms of cos, don't forget, because it is sine x multiplied by cos y minus cos x, and the angle must be the same. So obviously this one is what? Cos 30. Even if you use your calculator, you see cos 30 is root of 3/2 multiplied by sine of 10 degrees. All right. Ooh, okay, let's finish this thing. Divide by, it was half sine 10 degrees multiplied by cos 10 degrees. To divide by half is the same as multiplying by 2, ne? Yes. So okay, but I can show you how, because some of you might be lost here. So we're having sine of 30 degrees minus 10. That's our compound angle identity. I said we are dividing by half. Let me just show you. Divided by half here. Then here we're also having sine of 10 degrees multiplied by cos 10 degrees. All right. Okay, so here we'll be having sine 20. Because 30 degrees minus 10 degrees is 20. Sine 20 degrees over sine 10 degrees multiplied by cos 10 degrees multiplied by 2/1, because there's a reciprocal of 1/2 is the same as 2. Okay. So we have to change sine 20 to be in terms of sine and cos. We apply the double angle identity. Let me just erase this thing. Okay, come and write it here. Then let's see. I'll come and write it here. Then it will be sine 2 multiplied by sine 10 times cos 10, because I've shown you to use a double angle identity. It's like this. Look, sine 20 you can express it as 2 multiplied by 10. Then this one, if you apply it, it will give you 2 sine 10 multiplied by cos 10. And we also have this 2 multiplied by 2 over sine 10 degrees multiplied by cos 10 degrees equal to, look, sine 10 and sine 10 will divide each other, cos 10 and cos 10 divide each other, we'll be left with 2 multiplied by 2, which is the same as 4. We have proved without using a calculator. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. Also comment, and yeah, you can share this video with your friends. Thank you guys.